Give the gift of wellness to yourself. Give the gift of increasing your frequency to yourself. Give the gift that keeps on giving. I know you've been waiting for it. One time a year, get your supplies while they last. Up to 50% off of our nebulization kits created for you with you in mind. These are for your respiration health. This is for your dry coughs, your dry sinuses, your congested sinuses. This is for the asthmatic feeling. This is for the gut health. This is to give your body the advantage that it so desperately needs and wants for you over whatever time period you need to give your body the facilitation through a simple nebulization to help you regulate better than you ever have before. Once you start nebulizations, you'll never go back.